Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing of our new mailbox. So our old one that sits at the edge of our roadway, at the edge of our driveway at the end there, it sits along the highway. So during the winter time it gets splashed a lot by salt and snow and rain. And so it will start to rust and fall apart. So what I am going to be doing today is going to see how this new one comes out. I bought this from Amazon for about $40 Canadian. So it's a plastic one versus the metal one, which kept on rusting. We went through a couple of those already, so I chose to opt for a plastic one this time. Let's see what we got in here. It's a pretty big package here, so. So this one is the Easy Mail. Easy Mail says here it is, let me just get rid of this. So it says Easy Mail, easy to install, maintenance free because it is plastic. It is fully assembled, strong interior, strut reinforcement, rust and dent proof, which is really good. It's approved by the Postmaster General. So anything else here? This box contains one mailbox. So what else is on the side here? Not sure. Extender tray, I'm not sure what all these are different types here that you can have. There's the flag. So let's just have a look at this. Let's open this one up and have a look how this is. Again, the biggest issues that I've had in the past was the rusting. So this one's plastic. It's a lot longer, definitely a lot longer than any of the other ones that I've had in the past. Let's get rid of this box here. So here is the flag. It's kind of stiff, but that's okay. At least it won't fall down. Mail. It's pretty long in there. What is this? This is nothing. So it's pretty simple. Serves the purpose, I guess. Comes with the holes in here. So all I gotta do is just remove the old one and stick this new one on, and this one should be good to go. So I'm gonna go outside and do that, and I will show you the end result. Okay, so I'm going out to the roadside to see if I can get the old one off and replace it with this new one here. All right, so there we go. It's installed. Looks pretty good. All I need is just to get the numbers. Works pretty good. It's protected, don't have to worry about any more rust. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel. Click that bell notification icon and stay up to date to our new unboxing and reviews of different products. And until next time, take care.